Hi guys! In this video, we will use linear equations to solve real-world problems, practicing the skill we learned in the last video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell button to turn on notifications. Okay, let's begin. On his farm, John raises chickens and rabbits. The total number of animals is 70, and they have 196 legs altogether. So, how many chickens and how many rabbits does John have? First, let's assume there are X number of chickens. So then we get the number of rabbits is 70 minus X. As we know, a chicken has 2 legs and a rabbit has 4 legs. So the total number of legs is 2x plus 4 times the bracket 70 minus x, and it equals 196. Now to solve the problem. With the skill we've already learned, it will be quite easy. We begin with multiplying out the bracket. 2x plus 4 times 70 minus 4x equals 196, which gives us 2x plus 280 minus 4x equals 196. Then, collecting the x terms together, we get 280 minus 2x equals 196. The next step, I think you already know, is transposition. By moving negative 2x to the right side and 196 to the left side and changing the sign, we get 280 minus 196 equals 2x. That is, 84 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2 and you get x equals 42. That means John raises 42 chickens. To get the number of rabbits, you take 70 minus 42 and your answer is 28. You're done. To solve the next problem, we leave the farm and go to the classroom. John took a test. There were 25 questions total. If he answered a question correctly, he got 4 points. If he didn't answer the question or answered incorrectly, he lost 1 point. He got 80 points altogether. So how many questions did he answer correctly? Similar to the previous problem, we assume John answered X questions correctly. So the number of questions he didn't answer or got wrong is 25 minus X. Then the total points he got should be 4X minus the bracket 25 minus X. We know he received 80 points total, so the equation is 4X minus 25 minus X equals 80. Paying attention to the minus sign, we remove the bracket and get 4x minus 25 plus x equals 80. Then we proceed like the previous problem. 5x minus 25 equals 80. Then 5x equals 80 plus 25. Then 5x equals 105. Then x equals 21. So John answered 21 questions correctly. To make sure you understand this method, we will do one last exercise. The 5th graders are going to plant trees. There are 20 students altogether. Each boy plants 3 trees and each girl plants 2 trees. Together, they plant 52 trees. So how many boys and how many girls are there in 5th grade? As in the earlier problem, we assume there are X number of boys, and the number of girls in the 5th grade is 20 minus X. The number of trees the boys planted is 3X. The number of trees the girls planted is 2 times the bracket 20 minus X. They planted 52 trees altogether. So the equation is 3x plus 2 times the bracket 20 minus x equals 52. After we multiply out the bracket, we get 3x plus 40 minus 2x equals 52. Then we collect the x terms and subtract 40 from each side to get x equals 52 minus 40. And finally, x equals 12. So there are 12 boys in the 5th grade, and 20 minus 12 equals 8, so there are 8 girls. That's all for today. In the next video, we will learn another application of the linear equation. Please stay tuned. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below or email us at question@beatmath.com. We will try to answer your questions in the next video. See you next time.